ready to fry some chicken? Oh, I see all the hands up. Let's do it. Today, we are making my lemon pepper wings. Or I should say wangs. Lemon pepper wings. These things are explosive with flavor. I'm talking about dynamic, delicious, a hint of spice, a hint of lemon, and then there's a hint of sweetness because I add a tiny bit of honey. Come on, y'all, let's make it. So, to start, I'm going to make our nice breading. This is a flour that is enhanced with lots of spices. That's really gonna get into our chicken, and it's gonna be an incredible, crunchy, nice bite. Let's do it. Okay, so we're making our seasoned flour. I've got some all-purpose flour. I've got some lemon pepper, some cayenne, some paprika. I've got some garlic powder, some seasoned salt. Okay, don't be just doing regular salt. We're doing seasoned salt. Okay, grab some of that. Then we've got some black pepper. We've got some lemon pepper. And then we've got something that I love to add to all of my fried chicken, cornstarch. Okay, so people be like, why you gotta add the cornstarch, girl? Why you gotta add the cornstarch, Joss? The cornstarch is essential for making our chicken super crisp and crunchy. So I'm gonna add all of this right into a regular sort of like plastic bag. Get in there, cornstarch. Don't be playing around, get in there. Then I'm going to add our flour into the bag. And then I'm gonna mix it all up. I know y'all saw the help where Minnie was making the fried chicken and she had like the brown bag. That's super Southern old school. Do that if you at home and you really wanna invoke that Southern flavor. Come on now, shake this up. Shake it up, ooh, shake it up. And sing while you're doing it at home too. So shake it up really, really good. Now I'm going to make an addition to our batter. I'm going to dip our chicken into some eggs. This is gonna make sure that that flour really sticks to the outside. So I also like to add a little bit of kick. So I'm adding some hot sauce. Just a little bit, y'all, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna whisk that all together. Get a nice beaten egg right here with a little spice, a little kick. And that's ready to go. Here, I am using some party wings. These are also called wingdings. These are sort of like basically your chicken wings, but they're cut off and the tail is discarded. So these are gonna cook pretty quickly. And they're perfect because these are great for like entertaining, for parties, for game nights, for Netflix and chill, for just eating when you're lonely and when you just broke up with your man, you know, all of that good stuff. This is the wing to get. So now let's start dredging. Into the egg this goes. Make sure you get that really, really good. Then going right into our seasoned flour. Shake that up. Oh, how beautiful wing. And I'm gonna just shake that off and put that right on our wire rack for now. And then let's repeat. I love to use a cast iron skillet because it just makes sure that your cooking is perfectly even so you get that golden brown, crunchy, crispy deliciousness. I mean, seriously, ain't nothing like a cast iron skillet. That's why the ancestors used it. That's why my mama still uses it. And once you get one that's completely seasoned and you keep frying chicken in it, it will keep being the reward that you will never forget, all right? So now I'm adding some oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola, Don't use olive oil. Like, people have asked me about that before. It's not a good look, don't use it. It's too strong. It also just doesn't fry as well with this sort of fried chicken. So let's get going. I'm gonna heat my oil up. Hey, boo. So, a couple things. You can, of course, check the temperature of your oil using a thermometer, and you just need to get to about 350 degrees. Okay, now I'm just going to start. Oh my God, let's just take a moment. Do you see that sizzle right there? That's perfection. So I'm gonna start adding in our chicken, but you wanna make sure you do not overcrowd the pan, okay? So our chicken is completely fried and it is golden brown perfection, like I told y'all. Let's get to the glaze. So this is the fun part. We're gonna use some melted butter. I'm gonna pour this right into our bowl. Lemon juice and some honey. I've got some lemon pepper and I've got some additional pepper, so I'm gonna add that in too. Come on, wings, let's get in there. Y'all, look at this little plate of heaven. This is one plate for me, just in case you're asking about servings. I'm kidding. I'm giving one to my child. But isn't this spectacular? I mean, we are talking about perfect lemon pepper wings here. Golden fried, delicious batter, nice hint of spice and flavor, and then that incredible lemon citrusy honey glaze that takes these over the top. You're gonna love them. I'm done talking. I'm ready to eat. Oh, hi. How you doing? Oh, sorry. Oh, hi, Luke. How you doing? By the way, are you a flats person or a drum person? I'm actually both. Make sure you head to grandbabycakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.